What's up traders, let's have a quick free educational video about Fibonacci retracement and how to use this correctly in the right way in order for you guys to profit off the market and also get into the market with a good risk to reward. So without further ado, let's get into it. I will first show you what kind of levels there is in the market, how to use these levels and when to use these levels. So first, just to show you what kind of levels that we have on a Fibonacci retracement at these levels around here. The blue marked areas are the stronger levels in the market, the 618 and the 382. Now please remember that the 618 is the golden ratio, or as what we call the golden level, is the strongest level in the market on the Fibonacci retracement. The 0.272 and the 618 is my take profit levels, take profit 1, take profit 2. So these are used as my own take profit levels. You can do this as well by customizing your Fibonacci retracement tool, just adding these levels into your Fibonacci tool. So now without further ado, let's get into it and let me explain to you guys how to use this Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we're looking for a sell opportunity and the market has already made an impulse to the downside, what we need to do in order to be waiting for the retracement of this impulse, because normally what the market would do is make an impulse to the downside, then followed by a retracement. Once the retracement is finished, then we can find further continuation to the downside. So what we are basically doing is we are waiting for a retracement on this pair to a level that we're not sure, that we need to wait on the Fibonacci retracement, and in order to get the level that we need to take this pair to the downside. So if we have an impulse to the downside, it's very simple and very clean that we need to take our Fibonacci from this high over here to this low over here of the impulse. So we take our Fibonacci from the high to the low of the impulse. And then what we can clearly see is basically we have these levels in the market, and we can expect the market to come and retrace to any one of these four levels. So we need a retracement to these levels. Once we have a retracement, we can look for an entry close to these levels and then take this pair further down to the downside. Now it's very important that you guys understand that these levels are always good or much better with a previous structural level in the past. So we always need to look at structural level in the past, or structural points in the market in the past where the market has respected this level, where the market has not respected this level. So it's very important that you guys understand that. So what I will show you guys next is basically how to basically use this Fibonacci tool in order to get good risk to reward trades and basically get your trading profitable and also consistent profits every day. So this is how you do it for a sell opportunity. For a buy opportunity, this is basically the same thing. We're looking for an impulse to the upside. Once we have an impulse to the upside, we need some sort of retracement to the downside. Once we have a retracement to the downside, then it's much easier for us to enter the market and get a good risk to reward. So let's take our Fibonacci from the low to the high for a buy. Okay, and then we would basically want the market to come down to test these types of levels. Now it's very important, like I said before, very important that these levels will line up with previous structure in the market. Whichever level it is, they need to line up with a good previous structure in the market in order for you to know that this is a strong level in this market or in this specific move in the market. Now it's very important that you guys must understand that look for previous support and resistance and also structural levels in the market. Now let's go down and check on a real-time chart exactly what kind of moves we can get and and you guys will be able to see how accurate this is. So let's have a look and let's focus on this move over here, right here. Very simple move. We have a very nice impulse to the downside, followed by this correctional phase or impulse correction impulse. So what we are looking for in this move over here is, if we have a nice impulse to the downside, we need to take our Fibonacci from the high all the way to the low, and then we'll be able to get our levels of retracement. So high to the low. Once we have that, we'll be able to see in the market basically that we have these types of strong levels in the market. So if you have a look here, we have a nice strong level here, we have a nice strong level here, plus we have a nice stronger level here. So what we need to see is which level of Fibonacci is best lining up with structure. So if you take your box and you move this box all the way across, you can see the market really like to play around in this area. So what we need to look for is the next level. Which level is the market respecting more? And you can be able to see, if you pull this box right across, you'll be able to see the market respected this level very nicely, the 382. Why? Because we have very good resistance, support. We then had support around this area, we have another support around support and resistance around this area, and then the market broke to the downside. So basically what we are looking for is previous structure levels in the market that tell us that the market is in a strong level or strong opportunity that the market can move from this certain level. So as you can see, the market has now rejected that level and has started its next impulse to the downside. So like I said before, it's very easy. The market will move as an impulse correction. Once it's in the correctional phase, we'll be looking for shorts in our levels and see which level that the market that rejects that area in the market. Then we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. So it's very clear and simple that the market has now respected the 382. If we take our box and we drag it all the way across, you'll be able to see that it's a very strong level in the market, and the market has respected this area many times before. So let's have a look at a quick buy opportunity or quick buy scenario. So if we take our Fibonacci, as you can see, we have a nice impulse to the upside, and we have a very small retracement in this area, and we can expect the market now to start its push to the upside. So if we take our Fibonacci basically from this low over here all the way to this high, you'll be able to see that the market has made a retracement, and the retracement is basically to this level over here, the 382. So the 382, we don't have any sort of previous structure, but if we look a little bit further along, and you can be able to see the market actually love to test this level, and it's really good level in the market. So you can see for yourself, you can see around this area over here, support, we have nice support around this area, resistance, we then have another support, broke to the downside, came up again, support, resistance, and then continued to the downside. So this is the strong level in the market, and we can expect the market now to push to the upside. Now this is basically what it's making now is an impulse. It's already made a correction, now it's ready for the next push to the upside. So this is how we trade these kinds of levels every day in the market. Is in order for you guys to know how to use this, it's very important that you take it from the low to the high of the retracement. Once you've got the hang of it, once you got it covered, then you guys will see that it's much easier to find strong levels in the market. So you can see I'm just taking it on this new move now. If you have a look at this new move, you can see the market would need to basically come down to the 382. Why do we say the 382? Because we have strong support, strong resistance, strong support. So basically the market has rejected this level because of these strong support and resistance levels, and we can expect this market to then make a small retracement before further continuation to the upside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like this video, make sure that you leave me a like and a comment below, And if you guys have any questions, and if you still don't understand about this, make sure that you guys ask me in the comments area below. We're more than welcome and more than happy to help you guys figure out your Fibonacci retracement tools. And thank you for all your support. We will see you guys in the next educational video and also analysis video. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you guys next time.